Today, we're checking out the Acer SA222Q monitor. We'll unbox it, talk about what's good, what's not so great, and figure out if it's the right fit for your setup. Cracking open the box, you'll find the monitor, HDMI cable, power cord, aux cable, and a user manual. Essentials for getting this thing up and running. Display. Featuring an IPS panel, this monitor boasts wide viewing angles and accurate color reproduction. The full HD resolution ensures clarity for both work and entertainment. Design. The ultra-slim profile, measuring just 7.2 millimeters in thickness, adds a touch of modernity to your workspace. The zero-frame design provides a borderless look for an immersive viewing experience. Connectivity. The monitor offers a range of ports, including one HDMI for high-definition connectivity, one VGA for versatile compatibility, one audio port for headphones or external speakers, and one power port. The IPS panel provides wide viewing angles and excellent color accuracy, creating lifelike visuals for work and entertainment. Refresh rate and response time. Gamers, take note. A 100 Hz refresh rate and a speedy 1 millisecond VRB response time contribute to a smoother gaming experience, reducing motion blur and enhancing overall performance. AMD FreeSync technology. This technology synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate with your GPU's frame rate, reducing screen tearing and stuttering during gameplay. Ergonomic limitations. The monitor lacks height adjustment and swivel options, limiting its adaptability to different user preferences. Stability issues. The stand may exhibit wobbling, particularly during intense gaming sessions, potentially causing distraction. Ghosting effect. Despite its impressive specs, there's a hint of ghosting, noticeable during fast-paced gaming scenarios. Audio limitations. While the built-in speakers enhance the multimedia experience, they might not satisfy users seeking a robust audio setup. In conclusion, the Acer SA222Q offers a compelling package with its IPS display, gaming-friendly features, and elegant design. It's a suitable choice for both work and play, catering to a diverse range of users. However, potential buyers should consider its ergonomic limitations, stability concerns with the stand, and the subtle ghosting effect during fast-paced activities. With its balanced set of advantages and disadvantages, the Acer SA222Q stands as a noteworthy option in its price range.